مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic Conversation and Phrase Book, free of charge. Check the link down below. ويلا, let's begin.
مفردات خاصة بالعناية بالأسنان dental hygiene vocab. Sin, a tooth. In the plural, أسنان or سنان, depending on whether you want to pronounce the alif at the beginning. أسنان or سنان. ابتسامة, a smile. ابتسامة. ضرس, molar. ضرس. In the plural, أضراس or دراس. أضراس or دراس. ضرس العقل, wisdom tooth. ضرس العقل. عقل literally means mind. فرشاية is a brush. فرشاية. فرشاة is the word for brush, or the more standard or formal way of saying a brush. فرشاة. فرشاية الأسنان toothbrush, or فرشاية الأسنان toothbrush. In the plural, فراشة or فرشايات. فراشة or فرشايات. فرشاية أسنان كهربائية, electric toothbrush. كهرباء is electricity. كهربائية is electric. فرشاية أسنان كهربائية. Or we can say فرشاية أسنان على الكهرباء, that is operated by electricity. على الكهرباء. And if it was battery operated, على البطارية. على البطارية. معجون الأسنان toothpaste. معجون الأسنان toothpaste. خيط الأسنان dental floss. خيط الأسنان. خيط literally means a thread. خيط الأسنان. Tim is the Lebanese word for mouth, and the standard word which you will find in a dictionary is fam. So the Lebanese word is tim, and the standard word is fam. لثة, gums. لثة, gums. غسول الفم أو غسول التم, mouthwash. غسول. You might know the word غسل is to wash. So غسول الفم is mouthwash. It's also called سائل, as in liquid. سائل المضمضة, gargling liquid, literally. سائل المضمضة. حكيم الأسنان, the dentist. حكيم الأسنان or دكتور الأسنان, either or. دكتور or حكيم, or as well طبيب in the more standard way of saying a doctor. In the feminine, حكيمة or دكتورة or طبيبة. حكيمة الأسنان, female dentist. تسوس is decay or cavities. So تسوس الأسنان. تسوس الأسنان, and we commonly refer to one as being susi. A susi. Susi is literally when we're referring to a single cavity. To brush is فرشة يفرشي. هو فرشة سنانه. He brushed his teeth. هو عم يفرشي سنانه. He is brushing his teeth. And the noun is تفرشي, brushing. تفرشي لسنان. And the most standard way is تفريش لسنان. تفريش لسنان. تنظيف لسنان. Cleaning teeth. تنظيف لسنان. وجع is pain. وجع لسنان. Teeth, pain, literally. وجع لسنان. ألم as well is another word for pain. ألم لسنان. وجبة is a denture within this context, and it could also mean a meal, but since we're speaking about teeth here, it means a denture. وجبة. It's also known as طقم. طقم لسنان. طقم لسنان. طقم means a set, literally. And sometimes we refer to crew, for example, طاقم الطيارة, as in the set of crew. Hence the word طقم is a set. طقم لسنان. عيادة is a clinic. عيادة. عيادة حكيم لسنان. The dentist's clinic. تقويم الأسنان. Orthodontics. تقويم. That literally means straightening or fixing. تقويم الأسنان. Braces are called the same in Lebanese. We use the English word, but you could also use the standard Arabic word, which is أقواس الأسنان. قوس literally means like when you say a rainbow, قوس قزح, a brace, or as in a half a circle, قوس. قوس الأسنان. In the singular, أقواس in the plural. So braces. You might know أبيض as in white. So تبييض is whitening. تبييض الأسنان, teeth whitening. التهاب is an infection. التهاب. And the plural would be التهابات. التهابات, infections. خراج, a dental abscess. خراج. You might know خرج is to come out. خراج is an abscess that's literally sticking out or showing, protruding, a skin boil, so on. خربر, drill. That's a very local word of saying a drill. خربر. The standard way or the official way is حفار. حفار الأسنان. حفر means to dig, literally. حفار الأسنان. حشوة is a filling, and the verb حشى is to fill. Hence, the noun حشوة is a filling. حشوة الأسنان. بنج means anesthesia. بنج. مسكن للوجع literally means a tranquilizer for pain. So painkiller in English. مسكن للوجع. You might know سكون is no vowel in Arabic, and it literally means quietness, no vowel. So مسكن is something to calm and quiet the person down. مسكن للوجع, as in a tranquilizer. علاج, a treatment. علاج, and the verb to treat is عالج. عالج, to treat. عملية is surgery or operation. عملية. هيدا كان كل شي. شكرا لكم.